Union organizing at a business can be disruptive to work being done, so management has some ability to limit union organizing activities in the workplace. Here's what managers can do to legally limit union organizing efforts. The first thing management can do is to limit the ability of union organizers to solicit employees during working hours and on company time. The organization is within its rights to prevent solicitation of employees as long as it can be consistent with company solicitation policies and the company handbook. Management of the organization can identify the costs associated with union membership, such as dues, as well as the limits that may be imposed on promotions or compensation increases based on the merit of the employees choosing to unionize. Management can meet with employees to explain the company's position on union organizing efforts and to tell employees the truth about what might happen to the company and its employees as a result of successful organizing efforts. Management also has the right to change working agreements, even during a period when the union organizers are soliciting their workforce, to show that they are responsive to their employees' needs. This can include something called non-union employee representation, or NER, in which management gives employees representatives a voice in such things as working conditions, pay and benefits, promotion, and grievance resolution. These policies can sometimes effectively gut a union organizing effort, since these areas are the most common areas of concern.